So CLEVA recently announced that stablecoins are now live on their platform. It means that you can now receive USDT, USDC as well on your CLEVA account. Now, the purpose of this video is to basically show you how it works by doing a transfer of USDT from Bybit to CLEVA. But before that, I would like to quickly explain to you guys, in case you don't know what CLEVA is. CLEVA is a platform that lets you receive dollars, right? It's a platform that lets you receive money from your clients, pretty much. When you come here and click on add funds, you'll be able to pretty much get a bank account that you can use to receive dollars. So it gives you a US bank account that you can use to receive money from PayPal, Upwork, Payoneer, Wisdeal, and other platforms. They recently now introduced an option for you to receive stable coins, USDT or USDC. So this is what we are going to be exploring in this video. Now, what I do have at the moment is USDT. I will show you how to send USDT from pretty much anywhere to this CLEVA wallet. Now let's get started. This is my Bybit account. As you can see, I have $14.11 here. So I have basically 13.92 USDT here, and this SUI, which is another asset, but basically I have some USDT here. I want to send some of this USDT straight from here to my CLEVA account. As you can see here, I have 0 Naira currently, like $0 basically. There's nothing here. When I go to add funds, I am going to click on from stablecoins, USDT Tron. What does this mean? It means I'm receiving USDT on the Tron network. This one says USDC Sol. It means I am receiving USDC on the Solana network. Don't worry, we're going to do it together. So I want to receive USDT. I will click on USDT here. It said send only USDT via Tron to this address. Funds received are auto converted to USD. It means if you receive the crypto, the USDT, it will convert it to dollars for you. Sending tokens other than USDT to this address will result in loss of funds. Minimum deposit is 10 USDT. Amount less than this will be lost. Click here for our fees. So they have a charge for these things. So let's see what the fees are. So they're going to be taking 0.8% as a deposit fee for the transaction we're about to make, because it says ACH and stablecoin. What we're about to transfer is stablecoin, which is the USDT. So they will be taking a deposit fee of 0.8%. That's fine. And by the way, in case you didn't know, deposit fees for Upwork is free. You can send money from Upwork to your CLEVA account and they are not going to charge you any fees. So it's stated here as well. Now let's go back to the previous page. So we are again receiving USDT on the Tron network. The network is very important. Just like you have MTN, Airtel network, Glo network, some of these transactions will not work outside of their network. So for the sake of this class and for the sake of this transfer, we're doing USDT on the Tron network. So I'm going to come here. What we need is address. If you click on this, it will copy the address. So address has been copied. I have copied the address. And now what I want to do is go all the way back to Bybit. This is my Bybit. What I want to do is withdraw my USDT, right? So I'm going to click on withdraw. I am going to click on USDT. It's loading now. So what I'm trying to withdraw again is USDT, right? I will paste the address here. That address we copied from CLEVA here, this address. I just pasted it here where it says address. Then network, don't forget the network is the Tron network, right? So I am going to come here and select Tron for network. I have selected it. Now the amount max, basically all the money. Now let's go back and see what it says. The minimum deposit is 10 USDT. We have more than 10, we have 13. But out of this 13, you see what we can only send is 12.9. Why is that? Because this platform Bybit is also taking a small fee for the transfer. So if somebody you worked for wants to send you crypto, this is basically the process or the step they will follow. They will paste your wallet address here, which of course you give to them. So basically give them this address here and tell them it's the Tron network. So that's it. This is the address, this is the network Tron. I'm going to select max because I want to send all the USDT, and I will hit withdraw. Now Bybit might ask me to confirm the transfer to be sure, that it's me that is authorizing the transfer. So they might ask me to provide a verification code, and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And boom, I've provided the code and I've submitted the transaction. Now it says it's in progress. I'll click on OK and I'll go back. You see my money is gone. The USDT is no longer here. It has been transferred. Now let's go all the way back to CLEVA to see if the money has arrived. So this is CLEVA. I'm going to click on back again, back. It says arrives in 5 to 10 minutes. So since it says 5 to 10 minutes, let's wait a bit. I'm going to pull down to refresh. It still has not arrived. I'll pull down to refresh again. You know what? I'm just going to leave it for like 5 minutes. Then we'll come back here and we'll see if it's going to arrive. So it has finally arrived. It took around 5-7 minutes ish to arrive. But as you can see, this is what we have now in the balance. Here you see some breakdown of the transaction. What we received was 12.92. It got converted to dollars. As you can see, the deposit fee was $1. They charged $1 as a deposit fee. So that is it for this transaction. If I pretty much want to withdraw it now, I can click on transfer to transfer it to my Nigerian bank account. That's if I want. If I don't want to, I could just leave it here as well. Really, it's my money. I can really do whatever I want with it. But I hope this video has helped you. Again, CLEVA is a platform that lets you receive dollars from clients and platforms abroad, and now USDT as well. So that's all the information I have for you. If you have questions for me, feel free to ask me here in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Take care. Bye.